Hello, my name is Jeannie Dixon and I'm a watercolor and lettering artist. Today I'd like to show you the process of how I use the colors included in my new MaimeriBlu Jeannie Dixon set to create the concept for my signature florals that you see on the box. One of the reasons I love these paints so much is because of their transparency. This is because they are made using only 3 pure ingredients: natural gum arabic, glycerin, and a single pigment. I love mixing my own unique color palettes, and using single pigment paints gives me the flexibility to do just that. The 6 colors in this set mix beautifully. The first 3 vibrant colors are primary red magenta, turquoise green, and yellow vanadium, as well as 2 of my favorite secondary colors, Quinacridone violet reddish and orange lake. And a 6th one, a more earthy color, yellow ochre, that could be mixed with all the other colors to create a more muted color palette. For this floral piece, I use different consistencies to create different effects. To do this, all you need to do is adjust the water to pigment ratio. For example, if you want to create a more transparent layer, you will add more water than pigment, and vice versa. Once everything has dried, you can add more details like another transparent layer or the centers of the flowers. To create all the different greens, like the ones you see in nature, I mixed turquoise green with yellow ochre. Yellow ochre is a more muted hue and is compatible with all the other pigments. Follow along as I use the 6 colors in this set to paint this fun floral design. You can create a rainbow of colors with all these beautiful paints.